Watching Earth from Space. Introduction. The world right around you has hills, trees, homes, and buildings. Standing on the sidewalk, you can only see what is happening on your street. That is your normal view. Imagine looking down at your town or Earth from space. You would have a much wider view from space. You could see a photograph your entire country. Scientists who study the geography of Earth's surface use cameras on satellites in orbit. The International Space Station is one satellite that has cameras. The space station orbit is nearly 400 kilometers, 250 miles above Earth. Image made by orbiting cameras tracks change that happen to Earth over time. They see the big picture. These images record pollution damage, climate change, and change to land surface. They also show us the effect of too many people living in an area. Weather satellites watch storms. Large storms, such as hurricanes, can cause great damage and loss of life. Not all areas have storms warning systems to let people know a damaged storm is coming in time for them to escape the storm path. Image from orbiting satellites help scientists predict where a storm will go. Which keeping watch on pollution. New image from space can show where air or water is being polluted. For example, they can show where oils from an oil spill is spreading. This information can help people who live nearby. It can also help with cleanup efforts. Image can record how long it takes for the environment to recover. Air pollution can affect the health of large groups of people. Satellite image can show where the dirtiest air starts and where it goes. For example, overcrowded city in China has some of the world's dirtiest air. There are many causes, including the burning of coals for power. Image show the coal pollution drifting to other countries. Watching trains to land. Image from space have changed to land areas. For example, they show deforestation or the loss of forest. They also show erosion, the wearing away of land by wind or water. Deforestation is a world problem. Trees help keep our air clean and are home to wildlife. Photos from space show large forest areas that have been cutting down and burned. Deforestation is also a cause of land erosion. That is because tree roots help to hold soil in place. Serious erosion has happened in Madagascar, an island nation near Africa. Entire forests have been cut down for fuel and new farmland. Photos showed large amounts of soil being washed away and lost. Watching climate change effects. Scientists say our use of fossil fuels creates most of the change in Earth's climate. When we burn oil, coal, and natural gas, we create warm, harmful gas in the air. This type of gas traps more heat than usual above Earth. Images from space show us the effects of Earth becoming warmer. For example, they show where ice is melting or breaking apart. Another result for of Earth becoming warmer is the the spread of desert in the other dry land. Satellite images show where land is too dry to grow food or feed farm animals. Thinking critically. What types of laws do you feel would help to control human-caused pollution and loss of natural resources? Conclusion. For most history, people could see and understand just a small part of the world. They view everything at eye level. Even a person who traveled or a scientist could only see what was right in front of him or her. Today, with cameras orbiting in space, we can easily watch and track large areas of Earth. These images of Earth can tell us about its changing condition. They help us understand how change happening far away might affect us. What we do this, with that knowledge may decide the future health of our planet.